Hello, welcome to my channel. Let's continue the 2013 MIT Integration B. Today is the part 2 of this series of videos. We will work on problem 6 to problem 10. If you missed the part 1, you can click here or click the link in the description box under this video. For problem 6, we use a substitution. First, we let u equals to x minus 3 and dx equal to du. Plug them back into the integrand. Note that here, the upper and lower limit for this definite integral has been shifted by 3 units. Instead of from 0 to 6, it became from -3 to 3. Next, we rewrite it into two parts, and for the second part, it vanishes. Since all the three functions in the integrand are odd functions, their sum is also odd function. So we got an integral respect to the constant 3. The final answer is 18. Here is problem 7. So first, we try to simplify the 1 plus tangent x squared term inside the square root. So we use the trigonometry identity here. 1 plus tangent square is the secant square. After we take off the square root we got here. Next, we use the definition to replace the secant x with 1 over cosine x. Again, we use the u substitution. First, we let u equals to cosine x. Du is minus sin x dx. Then we move the minus sign on the other side. So sin x dx equal to minus du. Plug in. We got here. And we take the minus sign out of the integral. So we got minus log u plus c. Finally, replace the u with the cosine x. So here is the answer. So for problem 8, here is a big fraction. It looks very complicated. But if we inspect it carefully, we can simplify it. First, let's factor out the x cubed. For the numerator, we factor out the x squared minus 1. And for the denominator, we factor out the x minus 1. So we got here. So the term x cubed plus 1 appear on both numerator and the denominator. So they cancel out. We got here. The numerator can be further factored out into x plus 1 and x minus 1. So the x minus 1 term cancel out with the denominator. So finally, we end up with an integral to x plus 1. Here is the result. So here is problem 9. We use the integral by part by switching the log x and x. So we got here. Plug in numbers. And note that d log x equal to 1 over x dx. Then plug in to replace the d log x term. So we got here. And the x cancel out. So finally, we got minus 1. So here is problem 10. So for the denominator, we need to deal with the term for the e to the power minus x. We want to use the substitution to solve this problem, but we don't have the e to the power x here. So we introduce the e to the power x to both numerator and denominator. Simplify it, and we got here. And we reorganize in this way. Then we make the substitution. Let u equal to e to the power x, so du is e to the x dx. So we got an integral respect to u. And the result is log u minus 1 plus c. Finally, we replace u with e to the power x. And here is the answer. That's all for today. I will cover problem 11 to problem 15 in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you like it.